Established in 2011, Changsha Huaheng has one office center and 3 manufacturing workshops covering an area of about 60,000 square meters. It is a high-tech enterprise engaged in the development, design, manufacture, and service of intelligent logistics storage, intelligent manufacturing production line, intelligent logistics products, and related software under Huaheng Group. Changsha Huaheng always pays attention to the technology research and development of intelligent logistics and the introduction of talents, and has a strong team of mechanical and software technology talents. The intelligent three-dimensional warehouse has covered ceramics, food, medicine, heavy industry, cold chain, machining line-side warehouse, garment, new energy, and other industries' well-known enterprises. Changsha Huaheng always adheres to the concept of enduring excellence pursuing. Whether it is warehouse management, cargo handling, or automated logistics system needs, Changsha Huaheng meets customers' expectations with high-quality products and services, helping them to operate efficiently.